Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
And how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Let's go. Okay, Anna, what number is it?
Number 1.
Good. What number is it?
Number 4.
What number is it?
Number 6.
What number is it?
Number 8.
What number is it?
Number 2.
What number is it?
Number 5.
5. And what number is it?
Number 10.
Very nice. Tell me, how old are you?
I'm 2 years old.
Good. How are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Good. Anna, how many apples are there?
There 5 apples.
Yeah. There are.
Are 5 apples.
Good. How many balls are there?
There are 6 apples.
6
6
balls.
balls.
Good. Now tell me, how are you?
I'm happy.
How are you?
I'm angry.
How are you?
I'm scared.
How are you?
I'm sick.
How are you?
I'm tired.
How are you?
I'm cold.
How are you?
I'm hot.
And how are you?
I'm sad.
Great. Are you scared?
No, I'm not.
How are you?
I'm happy.
Good. Are you sick?
No, I am.
Yes.
I am.
Great. Let's talk about letters. Anna, what letter is it?
Letter A.
Sounds.
Apple. Ant.
What letter is it?
Letter B.
Sounds.
Ball. Back.
What letter is it?
Cabbage. Let
Letter.
C.
Sounds.
Cat. Car.
What letter is it?
Let
Letter.
D.
Sounds.
The door. The red.
What letter is it?
Letter E.
Sounds.
Elephant. Egg.
What letter is it?
Letter F.
Sounds.
Frog. 5.
Thank you, Anna. You did a really good job. See you later. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher.